Have you ever prayed for something and wondered why God wasn't answering? Have you ever felt like everyone around you was moving forward while you were stuck waiting? If so, you're not alone. One of the greatest examples of waiting on God's timing is found in the story of Joseph. Joseph's journey teaches us a powerful lesson. God's delays are not God's denials. When Joseph was young, God gave him a dream. In that dream, he saw that one day he would rise to a position of great authority. But instead of immediately receiving the blessing, Joseph's life seemed to fall apart. His own brothers became jealous of him. They threw him into a pit. Then they sold him into slavery. Imagine how Joseph must have felt. He had done nothing wrong. He had received a promise from God. Yet everything seemed to be moving in the opposite direction. Many people would have given up. Many would have become bitter. But Joseph continued to trust God. As a slave in Egypt, Joseph worked faithfully. God blessed him, and he gained favor with his master. It seemed as though things were finally improving. But then another setback came. Joseph was falsely accused of a crime he did not commit. As a result, he was thrown into prison. Think about that for a moment. First the pit, then slavery, then prison. If anyone had a reason to question God, it was Joseph. Yet even in prison, Joseph remained faithful. Years passed, not days, not weeks, years. Joseph could not see what God was doing behind the scenes, but God was preparing him for something greater. Many times in our own lives, we are like Joseph. We pray, we work hard, we try to do the right thing, yet we face disappointment after disappointment. We wonder why God is silent. We wonder why doors keep closing. But perhaps God is preparing us in ways we cannot yet understand. Eventually, Joseph's moment arrived. The same man who sat in prison was suddenly called before Pharaoh, the ruler of Egypt. Joseph interpreted Pharaoh's dream and provided a plan to save the nation from famine. Pharaoh was amazed. In a single day, Joseph went from prisoner to one of the most powerful men in Egypt. Think about that. God did not forget Joseph. God was working all along. Every hardship had a purpose. Every delay had a reason. The pit prepared Joseph. Slavery prepared Joseph. Prison prepared Joseph. Without those seasons, Joseph would not have become the leader God intended him to be. One of the biggest mistakes we make is assuming that waiting means God is absent. The Bible shows us the opposite. Sometimes God is doing his greatest work during the waiting season. While we focus on the destination, God focuses on preparation. Joseph's story reminds us that God's timing is perfect. Not early, not late, perfect. Today, if you feel discouraged, remember Joseph. The delay may be frustrating. The waiting may be painful. But your current situation is not the end of your story. Keep trusting, keep praying, keep moving forward, because the same God who guided Joseph through the pit, slavery, and prison is still working today. And when God's timing arrives, what seemed impossible can change in a single moment. Thank you for watching. If this message encouraged you, please like this video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with someone who needs hope today. May God bless you and guide you in every season of your life.